Good morning, children. Today our third class. Now listen, the question example 3.15 page number 114. If 2 plus I and 3 minus root 2 are the roots of the equation x power 6 minus 13x power 5 plus 62x power 4 minus 126x cube plus 65x square plus 127x minus 140 is equal to 0. Then find all the roots. Listen, here the given question is x power 6, x power 5, x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant equal to 0. Where the highest power is 6. So which is a 6th degree equation. So it has 6 roots. We want to find all the roots. But given that 2 roots only given. Here highest power 6, so it has 6 roots. But given that 2 roots only, that is 2 plus I 1 root and 3 minus root 2 is next root. There are 2 roots given and we want to find all the 6 roots. So here highest power 6, so it has 6 roots, but 2 roots only given. Remaining 4 roots we have to find. Okay. Now listen to the technique. What is 2 plus I? 2 plus I is a complex number, where 2 plus I is a complex number, where 2 is a real part and here I coefficient 1 understood. It is I, where I coefficient 1 understood. So I coefficient 1 is said to be imaginary part, where 2 is a real part and I coefficient 1 is a imaginary part. So together 2 plus I is a complex number. Is a complex number, that's all. And we know that if 2 plus I is 1 root, then 2 minus I is also a 1 root. So using 2 plus I and 2 minus I, we want to frame one quadratic equation. Okay, next. Here 3 minus root 2. What is 3 minus root 2? Very good. 3 minus root 2 is an irrational number. And we know that is irrational roots occurs in pairs. If one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2. So again, 2 plus I is a complex number where real part is equal to 2 and the imaginary part is equal to I coefficient 1. Understood? So imaginary part is equal to 1. If 2 minus I is a root, then 2 plus, that is if 2 plus I is a root, then 2 minus I is also a root. And here 3 minus root 2 is an irrational root, and if one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2. That's all. So here 2 plus I 1 root, then the other root is 2 minus I. Using these 2 roots, frame one quadratic equation. Next, if one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2, then frame next quadratic equation. Then find a product of these 2 quadratic equations. We get a 4th degree equation. Then this 6th degree equation is divided by 4th degree equation. We are going to find again quadratic equation. So the given given roots 2, and from these 2 we can find 2 more roots. Then totally we have 4 roots. That is 2 plus I, 2 minus I, 3 minus root 2, 3 plus root 2, 4 roots ready. Remaining 2 roots we have to find. For that idea, this 6th degree equation is divided by 4th degree equation, we get a quadratic equation. And the remaining 2 roots are given by that quadratic equation, then we get a totally 6 roots, that's all. So okay, now listen the refer first. If one root is 2 plus I, then the other root is 2 minus I. See, for example, suppose if one root is 1 minus I, then the other root is 1 plus I. 1 plus I. Say for example, suppose if one root is 3i, then the other root is 3 minus I. So which is a technique. Similarly, come to where 3 minus root 2 is an irrational number. Here, one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is, can you tell me what is other root? Very good. The other root is 3 plus root 2. That's all. Suppose, for example, if one root is root 3, where root 3 is an irrational number. If one root is root 3, can you tell me what is the other root? Very good, minus root 3. Then the other root is minus root 3. That's all. So again, come to, for example, suppose my question is, if one root is 2 plus 3, If one root is 2 plus 3, then what is other root? No, 2i minus 3 is not a other root because it is a twisted one. That is, the complex number will be of the form a plus ib. The complex number will be of the form a plus ib, where a equal to real part and I coefficient is b, where b is equal to imaginary part. A equal to real part, b equal to imaginary part. If one root is a plus ib, then the other root is, very good, a minus ib. Here listen the technique. The technique is the changing the coefficient of I is said to be the other root, that is a conjugate. Here a plus ib is a complex, then a minus ib is a conjugate. Here the standard form is a plus ib, first real part, next imaginary part. So that is a standard form. But here this question is not in the standard form. First we want to bring it to the standard form. Okay, can you tell me what is the standard form? The standard form is 3 plus 2i. Very good. Okay, if one root is 3 plus 2i, then the other root is, very good, 3 minus 2i. Very good, 3 minus 2i. So here complex roots occurs in conjugate pairs. Complex roots occurs in conjugate pairs. Listen, here 3 plus 2i is a complex, then 3 minus 2i is a conjugate. Conversely, suppose 3 minus 2i is a complex, then what is a conjugate? Very good, 3 plus 2i is a conjugate. That's the idea. Here complex roots occurs in conjugate. If one root is 3 plus 2i, then the other root is 3 minus 2i. Okay, similarly, come to irrational number. Here 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational roots occurs in pairs. That is, if one root is 3 plus root 2, then the other root is 3 minus root 2. Similarly, if one root is root 3, then the other root is minus root 3. Here a plus ib is a complex number. Here 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, similarly, listen, for example, suppose a, that is root a plus root b. Root a plus root b. Here root a is irrational number, root b is irrational number. Now can you tell me what is together root a plus root b? Very good. Root a plus root b is also an irrational number. It is irrational number. Okay. If one root is root a plus root b, then the other roots are, listen the technique. Here root a fixed and its conjugate is minus root b. So these two roots one pair. If one root is root a plus root b, then the other roots are root a minus root b. Here root a fixed, then plus root b minus root b. That is a technique. Okay, similarly, now take here plus root a fixed. Then here center plus and minus differs. Now this first term, suppose minus root a minus root a. Here plus root a fixed and plus conjugate is minus. Now here minus root a fixed. Then as it is, first one is plus root b. Now listen, here minus root a plus root b is one root, then the other root is minus root a. Very good, minus root a minus root b. That's all. Here this totally it has this irrational number totally 4 roots. Listen, if one root is root a plus root b, then we have 3 more roots. How to write 3 more roots means the first root a fixed, then plus minus, that is the difference. Next, minus root a fixed and plus root b minus root b. So there are 4 roots are there. But here 3 is rational number and root 2 is an irrational number. Here if one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2. If one root is minus root 3, then the other root is minus root 3. Here only 2 pairs. Here irrational roots occurs in pairs. Okay. Here root a plus root b also irrational number, where root a irrational, root b irrational. Together root a plus root b is also an irrational, and it has 3 more roots. To write that, the first root a fixed and plus minus, then minus root a fixed plus minus. Here we have 4 roots. So that is the concept. Okay, to learn this topic, it is which is the required introduction. Suppose for example, listen, if 3 plus 4i is a root, then can you tell me what is the other root? Very good, 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i is a root. Suppose if for example, if 2 plus 4i is a root, then the other root is, very good, 2 minus 4i, that's all. Here 2 plus I is a complex number, and complex roots occurs in pairs, conjugate pairs. That is, if one root is 2 plus I, then the other root is 2 minus I. Okay. Here 3 minus root 2 is an irrational number, and irrational roots occurs in pairs. That is, if one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2. Okay, come to the topic. First take 2 plus I. If one root is 2 plus I, since one root is 2 plus I, then the other root is 2 minus I. Then the other root is 2 minus I. That's all. Using these two roots, we want to frame one quadratic equation. That is, sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to 2 plus I plus, say 2 plus I plus of 2 minus I. Okay. Now, which is equal to, okay, what is simplification? Very good. That is minus I and plus I cancel. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is, sum of the roots is equal to 4. Now, let us find the product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to, the first root is 2 plus I into the second root is 2 minus I. Okay, which is equal to. Now, it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. Okay, can you tell me what is a minus b and a plus b? A minus b into a plus b is equal to, very good, a square minus b square. That is a square. A square is equal to 4. That is 2 square equal to 4. One can write a the whole square. That is 2 the whole square. Minus b square. That is minus I square. That is I the whole square. Okay. Now listen, we know that I is equal to square root of minus 1. Where I is a imaginary unit, and the imaginary unit I is equal to square root of minus 1. Okay, now can you tell me what is I square? I square is equal to, very good, minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. Where I is equal to square root of minus 1, then I square is equal to minus 1. That is the technique. Okay, now simplification, which is equal to 2 square equal to, 4 minus I square. Where I square equal to minus 1, already center minus, so minus into minus becomes plus, that is plus 1. Okay, which is equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. That is product of the roots. Okay, listen again. If one root is 2 minus I, then the other root is 2 plus I. Then sum of the roots is given by 2 plus I plus of 2 minus I, where plus I minus I cancel, sum of the roots equal to 4. Next, product of the roots is equal to 2 plus I into 2 minus I, then it is of the form a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, where I square equal to minus 1, already center minus, so minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Product of the roots equal to 4. That is product of the roots equal to 5. Okay. Now, we know that the quadratic equation will be of the form x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots equal to 0. That is, the quadratic equation is given by x square minus sum of the roots, where sum of the roots is equal to 4 minus sum of the roots into x plus, good, that is a product of the roots, where product of the roots equal to 5. That's all. So, which is the first quadratic equation. Okay. Now consider the second root. If one root is 3 minus root 2, can you tell me what is other root? Good, that is the other root is 3 plus root 2. Listen, since one root is 3 minus root 2, therefore the other root is 3 plus root 2. Okay, similarly, okay, how to find sum of the roots? Listen, sum of the roots is equal to, first one 3 minus root 2 plus of 3 plus root 2. Okay, which is equal to, any idea to simplification? Good. Listen, plus root 2 minus root 2 cancel, then plus 3, so which is equal to 6. So sum of the roots is equal to 6. Now I want to find the product of the roots. Okay, product of the roots is equal to, product of the roots is equal to, first one is 3 minus root 2 into second root is 3 plus root 2. Okay, which is equal to. Now again, can you tell me what is it? It is of the form, Good. That is a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to, very good, a square minus b square. That is where a square is equal to 3 the whole square minus b square. B square means that is a minus root 2 the whole square. So a minus b into a plus b equal to a the whole square minus b the whole square, where a square equal to, that is 3 square equal to 9 minus root 2 the whole square. While squaring the root, square and square, that is root and square cancel. So your answer is root 2 the whole square equal to 2, that is 9 minus 2 equal to 7, which is product of the roots. Okay, similar idea as it is in a before part. The required quadratic equation is given by x square minus sum of the roots plus the product of the roots equal to 0. Now I want to frame quadratic equation. Can you tell me what is a quadratic equation? X square minus sum of the roots, where sum of the roots is equal to 6. So minus 6x, very good, plus product of the roots. What is product of the roots? Good, 7. So which is equal to 0. So which is next quadratic equation. Now I want to find a product of these two answers. That is first one is x square minus 4x plus 5 into, okay, what is second equation? Second answer is given by x square minus 6x plus 7, which is equal to 0. Okay, now it comes under just algebraic product. Okay, now can I see how to multiply? Okay, tell me the answer. X square into x square, x power 4. Okay, next, that is x square going to multiply all the elements. X square into minus 6x minus 6x cube. Okay, next, x square into 7 plus 7x square. Okay, first term is completed. Now minus 4x is going to multiply all the elements in the second moon bracket. That is minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube. Minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24. So plus 24 x into x square. Next, minus 4 7s are 28. So minus into plus minus 28x. Next, this 5 going to multiply all the elements in the second moon bracket. Now can you tell me what is the product? 5 into x square plus 5x square. Next, plus into minus 5 6 are 30. So minus 30x. Okay. Next, plus into plus 5 7s are 35. So plus 35, which is equal to 0. Now I want to simplify because there are like terms are there. Can you tell me what are the like terms? X power 4. Okay, x power 4 present how many places? Very good, one place. Okay, next, can you tell me what is x cube present how many places? Very good, that is x cube present 2 places. That is first one, second one. Next, x cube present 2 places. Okay, now can you tell me x square present how many places? X square present, say 7x square, 24x square, 5x square. Very good. X square present 3 places. Next, say x power 4 present 1 place, x cube present 2 places, and x square present 3 places. Then come to x, where x present minus 28x and minus 30x. Okay, x present 2 places. Now we want to simplify. Simplification. Say x power 4. Okay. Now we need the standard form x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant. Okay, x power 4 present 1 place. Okay, simplification over. Now can you tell me what is x cube term? Very good. Minus 6x cube minus 4x cube, which is equal to minus 10x cube. Okay. Next, consider here both the x cube terms are negative, so that is a negative will be the answer. Next, come to x square. How many places x square? Got 3 places. Here plus 7x square plus 24x square plus 5x square. What is the total? Can you tell me the total? Yes, very good. The total is here 7 plus 24 is equal to 31. 31 plus 5 is equal to 36. Otherwise, you can add like this also. 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. 29 plus 7 is equal to 36. So plus 36x square. Here all the x square terms are positive, so that is y plus. Next, come to x. How many places x present? Good, that is x present 2 places. Here minus 28x, minus 30x. So both negative, so you are going to get a negative answer. Here 30, 28, that is 58, minus 58. Minus 58x. Okay. Next, a constant. Okay, can you tell me constant term present how many places? Very good. One place. That is plus 35. Plus 35 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant equal to 0, which is a fourth degree equation. Now, listen. Here, if one root is 2 minus I, then the other root is 2 plus I, we can frame one quadratic equation. If one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2, we get one more quadratic equation. And the product of the two quadratic equations is equal to fourth degree equation. But the given question is sixth degree equation. Now, this sixth degree equation is divided by fourth degree equation. We are going to get one quadratic equation. So, that is my aim. Now, listen, it is very easy. We want to use a long division. Okay, long division. Suppose long division method. Okay, inside we want to write a 60 degree equation, outside we want to write a 40 degree equation. That is inside a bigger polynomial, outside a smaller polynomial. That is inside. What is inside? I want to write x power 6 minus 13 x power 5 plus 62 x power 4 minus 126 x cube plus 65 x square, okay, plus 65 x square, extend the divide, plus 127 plus 127x minus 140, okay. Next, write this fourth degree equation is outside. So, here I want to write x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 36x square minus 58x plus 35. Okay, it is a long division method as in plus one syllabus. Okay, now how to divide means take first one divided by first one. Here first one is x power 6 divided by x power 4. We want to do the rough work. Listen the rough work. Here first one is x power 6 divided by first one divided by first one. So, divided by x power 4, which is equal to x power 4 fully cancel, 6 cancel means remaining 2, that is x square. So, write that x square in quotient place, x square. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Very good. That is a product. This x square is going to multiply all the elements. Okay, all the elements in outside we get. Can you tell me that is a product is given by? Good. That is x square into x power 4 is equal to x power 6. X square into x power 4 equal to x power 6. Next one is very good, 10x power 5. That is x square into 10x cube. X square into 10x cube is equal to minus 10 x power 5. Okay. Next multiplication. Good. That is x square into 36x square. That is x square into x square, x power 4. So, plus 36 x power 4. Next, x square into minus 58x, x into x square, x cube. So, minus 58 x cube. Similarly, now x square into 35, x square into 35, 35 into x square equal to 35x square. Okay, draw the long line. Now, can you tell me what is next step? Good. Want to sign change in second equation. Listen, plus change to minus, minus change to plus, plus change to minus, minus change to plus, and plus change to minus. Simplification. Plus x power 6 minus x power 6 cancel. Next step. Here, plus 10x power 5 minus 13x power 5. What is simplification? Good. That is minus 3x power 5. Minus 3x power 5. Okay, next one. Here 62x power 4 minus 36x power 4. What is simplification answer? Good. Here listen the technique. Here 62 is a big number. So, minus 36 small number. So, subtract directly. That is 2 minus 6 not possible. So, borrow. That means 12 minus 6. So, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. And the remaining here 5. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And the big number before sign plus. So, plus 26 x power 4. Okay, come to x cube term. X cube term minus 126 x cube and plus 58 x cube. So different sign. We want to subtract. Okay, how to subtract means just to subtract here 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Next, here already we borrow, so remaining is 1. That means again here borrow, we get 11. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Okay, and here 2, that is 0, so that no need. That is 68, and a big number before sign minus. So minus 68 x cube. Suppose verification. Verification is 8 plus 8, 16, remainder 1, and 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1 equal to 12. Yes, your answer is correct. Big number before sign is negative. Okay, come to x square term. Here plus 65x square minus 35x square. What is simplification? Very good. The simplification is here 5 minus 5, 0, and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and a big number before sign plus, so plus 30x square. That is 65 minus 35 equal to 30. One can write directly 30x square. And the remaining two terms as it is. Bring as it is. Plus 127x and minus 140. Bring the last two terms as it is. That's all. Okay. Now, again here that is again use the same technique inside first term divided by outside first term. Okay, what is inside first term? Good. Minus 3x power 5. Listen the rough work. The rough work is minus 3x power 5 divided by. What is outside first one? Good. X power 4, which is equal to. Simplification. Very good. Minus 3x. Very good. Minus 3x. That is minus 3x. Because here x power 4 fully cancel, power 5 only cancel, remaining minus 3x. Yes, your answer is correct. Now, take this minus, write this minus 3x in quotient place. So, minus 3x. Okay. Now, similar idea, minus 3x going to multiply all the elements. Okay, what is the product? Very good. Minus 3x power 5. Yes, your answer is correct. That is minus into plus minus, and 3x into x power 4. X into x power 4 equal to x power 5. So, minus 3x power 5. Minus 3x power 5, first term. And also, remember the first term should be same and one. That is idea. Here x power 6, x power 6. Minus 3 x power 5 minus x power 3 x power 5. Then only the first terms are same terms. Then only your answer will be correct. That is a verification idea. Now, this minus 3x into minus 3x into minus 10x cube. Okay, what is your answer? Very good. That is, you are telling plus 30 x power 4. Very good. Here minus into minus plus 3 tens are 30. So, plus 30 x power 4. Okay. Next. Minus 3x into 36x square. Can you tell me what is the product? Good. That is, here you are telling the answer is minus 108 x cube. Yes, correct. Listen the verification. The verification is minus into plus minus, and 3 into 36 is equal to 108. So 108 x into x square is equal to x cube. Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. Next, this minus 3x into minus 58x. That is x into x square, and minus into minus plus. What is the product? Good. That is, here the verification is 3 into 50 is equal to 150. 3 8s are 24. So 150 plus 24 is equal to 150 plus 24 is equal to 174. So minus into minus plus. So plus 174 x square. Again 3 into 50, 150, 3 8s are 24. So 150 plus 24 is equal to 174, minus into minus plus x into x square. Okay. Next last one, minus 3x into 35. What is your answer? Minus, that is minus 3x into 35. What is the answer? Good. That your answer is correct, which is here minus into plus minus, and 3 into 35. 3 into 30 is equal to 90, 3 5s are 15, so 105. Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. That is minus 105x. Okay, enough. Now, sign change. Minus change to plus, plus change to minus, minus change to plus, plus change to minus, minus change to plus. Next, now simplification yourself. Can you tell me what is the simplification? Good. First term cancel because negative positive cancel. Okay. What is the second term simplification? Good. Here minus 4x power 4 because minus 30 x power 4 plus 26 x power 4 by subtracting 30 minus 26 equal to 4 and a big number before sign minus. Very good. Minus 4 x power 4. Yes, your answer is correct. Next, x cube. Consider x cube terms. Here plus 108 x cube and minus 68 x cube. Here plus minus different sign. So what we want to do? Good. Want to subtract. Okay, subtract directly. Listen. 8 minus 8, 0. Next, here borrow, which means 10. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. And the big number before sign is plus x cube. Okay, suppose verification. Verification 40 plus 60, 100 plus 8, 108. Yes, your answer is correct. Next, come to x square term. X square term is here minus 174 x square, but the top element is plus 30 x square. What is the simplification? What is the simplification for x square? Very good. Your simplification, your answer is correct because here just 74 minus 30 is equal to 44. Already here 100 is there and the big number before sign minus. So minus 144 x square. Okay. Suppose verification. Verification is very simple. 144 plus 30 is equal to 174 and put a big number before sign minus. Okay, come to x term. What is the x term simplification? Very good. Both are positive. Yes, your idea is correct. Both are positive. And what will be the answer will be of the form? Yes, answer also positive. Good. Next. Yes, both positive. Just addition. Addition means 7 plus 5, 2. That is 12, 2. Remainder 1. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Next, 1 plus 1, 2. So 232. And plus plus both positive, so that is why plus. So plus 232x. And bring the last term as it is minus 140. That's all. Okay. Now what is the next step? Can you tell me what is the next step? Good. Very good. Inside first term divided by outside first term. Similar idea. See, already inside first term divided by outside first term is the first rough work. And listen, in second part, inside first term divided by outside first term, which is the second rough work. Good. Now what is the third rough work, please? Very good. Minus 4, that is inside first one divided by outside first one. That is minus 4 x power 4 divided by inside first one divided by outside first one, which is x power 4. Okay, on simplification x power 4 fully cancel, which is equal to minus 4. So write this minus 4 in quotient place. So minus 4. Okay, minus 4 is ready. Now this minus 4 going to multiply all the elements in outside. That is minus, what is the answer, please? Minus 4 into x power 4. Very good. Minus 4 x power 4. Minus 4 x power 4. Remember, I told the first terms are equal, first terms are equal, first terms are equal. Then only your answer is correct. Otherwise, it may be mistake. Okay. Now, minus 4 into minus 10x cube. Can you tell me what is the answer? Very good. Minus 40 x cube. Yes, your answer is correct. Minus into minus plus 4 tens are 40. So plus 40 x cube. Okay. Next. Minus 4 into 36 x square. Minus 4 into 36 x square. Good. Minus 144 x square. Yes, correct. Very, very good. Because verification, listen. Here 4 30s, that is 4 30s are 120 and 4 6 are 24. So minus into plus minus, so 144 x square. Very good. Your answer is correct. Minus 144 x square. Okay. Next. Minus 4 into 58x. What can you tell me what is minus 4 into minus 58x? Anyone? Good. Plus 232x, your answer is correct. Because minus into minus plus and 4 into 58. That is 4 50s are 200 and 4 8s are 32. 200 plus 32, 232. Minus into minus plus. Yes. Remember? 232x. Okay. Next, the last one. What is minus 4 into 35? Minus 4 into 35, anyone? Good. Minus 140. Listen the verification. Verification. Here 4 30s are 120 and 4 5s are 20. Yes, 140. And minus into plus minus. So minus 140. Now listen, step 1, step 2, step 3. The first terms are equal, first terms are equal, first terms are equal. Minus 4x power 4 minus x power 4 equal. Okay. And also consider the quotient will be of the form x square, x constant. So that's all. The sum is completed. The division is completed. And also step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 3 we can verify easily. In step 3, all the terms are like terms. Listen. Minus 4 x power 4 minus 40 x cube minus 144 x square, that is a plus 232 x minus 140 minus 140. Then only your answer will be correct. Because the final answer we must get a remainder 0 answer. Okay, what can you tell me what is the next step? Good. That is second equation, want to sign change. Minus change to plus, plus change to minus, minus change to plus, plus change to minus, then minus change to plus. Okay, any idea? What is simplification? Good. Minus plus cancel. Listen, negative positive cancel. Then again positive negative cancel. Next step, negative positive cancel. What is next? The next is good, very good, very good. That is positive and negative cancel. And the last one, negative and positive cancel. That is 0 will be the answer. That is remainder is 0. Okay, division is completed. What is the quotient, any one of you? Very good. X square minus 3x minus 4. Yes, will be the quotient. X square minus 3x minus 4 will be the quotient. That is x power 4 minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Here again remember, if one root is 2 plus I, then the other root is 2 minus I, we get a one quadratic equation. If one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2, we get a one more quadratic equation. And the product of these two quadratic equations, we get a fourth degree equation. Now 6th degree equation is divided by fourth degree equation, we get a quadratic equation. And 2 plus I, 2 minus I, 2 roots. And here 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 are 2 roots, but we need 6 roots. That here 6 roots minus 4 roots is equal to 2 roots. That is, the remaining 2 roots is given by the equation x power 4 minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So we want to find the remaining 3 roots. Already in question paper 2 roots given, and by using pairs we get 2 more roots. So totally 4 roots. Now remaining 2 roots we have to find. The remaining 2 roots are given by the quotient equation x power 4 minus, not x power 4, it is x square. Already we know that x square. The quotient in the before division, we find out x square term, x term constant equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus minus 4 equal to 0 gives the remaining 2 roots. Okay. Now I want to factorize. So how to factorize? Can you tell me anyone? How to factorize? Very good. X square coefficient 1. So that is why 1 into minus 4. So plus into minus minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4. While multiplying I need minus 4. Okay, next. What I want to write in center? Anyone? Good. Minus 3. Because x coefficient is minus 3. Okay. Now while multiplying we need the top element. While add or subtract we need the center element. That is x square coefficient into the constant term is equal to the top element, and the x coefficient is center. Now I want to make two factors such that whose product is minus 4 and sum or difference is minus 3. Can you tell me what is it is? Which two factors gives the product is 4? Very good. 2 2s are 4. Suppose your answer is correct. That is 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. But while add or subtract I need 3. So how to you are going to get 3? Any idea? While adding 4, we have no 4 in center. While subtracting 2 minus 2, 0, we have no 0 in center. So that is why your answer 2 minus 2, 2 2s are 4 is failure. Okay, no problem. You want to write all the possible factors of 4. Can you tell me what is the next factors of 4? Anyone? Good. 1 4 is 4. Very, very good. 1 4 is 4. Okay. Now, while multiplying I need a top, and while add or subtract I need center. Any idea? For that is 1 4 is 4, okay. But I need while adding or subtracting I need a minus 3 in center. Any idea, anyone? For which one minus? Good. Minus 4 minus. That is 4 gets negative. Now here x square coefficient 1. Therefore x square coefficient 1 by 1. So by 1 by 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. Minus 4 by 1 equal to minus 4. Now listen. Can you tell me the factors? Anyone? Good. Here plus 1, therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, next factor. Good. That is x minus 4. Because here minus 4, therefore the factor is x minus 4. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Simplification. Good, very good. Your answer is correct. Minus 1 comma 4. Because plus 1 goes to right side minus 1 and minus 4 goes to right plus 4. So, minus 1 comma 4 will be the answer. Here, if the product equal to 0, either first one equal to 0 or second one equal to 0, therefore, x plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, what is next step? Good, very good. X minus 1. Next, or. Next step, that is what is the next answer is? Very good. Minus 4 goes to right plus 4. So, x is equal to 4. Now, the required all the required roots are. Can you tell me all the required roots? Good. From the question, from the beginning, if one root is 2 minus I, then the other root is 2 plus I. And if one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2. Therefore, the required roots are. Okay. Now, we want to verify our answer. That is, first one is 2 plus I and the second one is 3 minus root 2. Listen. The required roots are. The required roots are, say the first root is 2 minus I, therefore the other root is 2 plus I. That is complex roots occurs in conjugate pairs. Next, comma, that is 3 minus root 2, one answer, comma 3 plus root 2 is the answer. That is if one root is 3 minus root 2, then the other root is 3 plus root 2 is correct. Then from the quotient we get 2 more roots. They are minus 4 comma minus 1 comma 4. Minus 1 comma 4. That's all. Therefore, the required 6 roots are given by 2 minus I, comma 2 plus I, comma 3 minus root 2, comma 3 plus root 2, minus 1, comma minus 4. Okay, count the number of roots. Can you tell me how many number of roots? Good. That is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 5 roots. So, and that is, there are 6 roots. So, answer is completed.